Hi, everybody. I'm Nora. Today, I'm going to share my typical weekend routine with you. I will speak slowly and clearly, so this lesson is great for beginners and A2 students. Ready? Let's begin. On Saturday morning, I like to sleep in a little bit. I usually wake up around 8. I make myself a cup of tea and have a light breakfast. I feel very relaxed because I don't have to go to work today. After breakfast, I tidy up my apartment. I do the washing up and sweep the floor. I also water the plants near the window. I really like having a clean home. Later in the morning, I go grocery shopping. I walk to the supermarket to buy food for the week. I get bread, fruit, and fresh vegetables. Sometimes I also buy rice, milk, or some snacks. I pay for my items and carry the bags back home. In the afternoon, I enjoy my free time. Often, I meet up with my friends. We go to a nice cafe to drink coffee and chat about our week. Sometimes we go to the park to walk and enjoy the fresh air. On Saturday evening, I love cooking a special dinner. I make soup, pasta, or rice with veggies. Sometimes I try a completely new recipe. Cooking on the weekend is fun and creative for me. After dinner, I relax on the sofa. I watch a good movie or a TV series. I really enjoy this quiet time. On Sunday morning, I usually read a novel. I sit by the window with my tea, reading slowly and enjoying the story. Sometimes I play some soft music. It makes me feel calm and happy. At noon, I go to my parents' house. We have lunch together and talk about the week. We laugh and tell stories. Spending time with family makes me feel loved. In the afternoon, I get ready for the week ahead. I do my laundry and fold my clothes neatly. I check my work bag and write a to-do list for Monday. On Sunday evening, I start resting early. I take a warm shower and put on my pajamas. I read a little bit more in bed. Around 10, I turn off the light and go to sleep with a smile. That is my weekend routine. How about you? What do you do on weekends? Thanks for watching. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe for more simple English lessons.